Just here at the back of the tractor now. I took this adjuster off here, goes onto the link arm. It's the striding grease. Screws down in there. It's all seized up, that is. The way that works is it's in there like that, and another piece of this bar goes down into the top of that, and you twist it up there and it just kind of lifts up, kind of just sets the height of the link arms for you, takes some of the slack out of it, but that's all seized up. So I'm going to bring it up to the shed now. Someone has this all welded, doesn't adjust on this side, you adjust on that side. This is all welded. That's meant to spin though, manually, but I'll have to get another one of them. We'll just get this sorted anyway. Got it all up to the shed now. Drilled out all the pins, and as you can see, that comes out. Drilled out all that, cleaned it all out. Same with this. The cap goes in there. This whole shaft should come out. Just like that. So there's my old cap. I'm after making a new one for the other side. Now the difference obviously with this one and this one is I chose that piece of steel because I had the hole in it there, so I'm going to put a grease nipple in it. See, it's a grease nipple in here, and that cap originally goes in there. So the grease actually makes its way down that shaft and into this chamber here, slowly, very slowly. And there's no grease nipples on it, so my plan is to tap that cap in there and put the grease nipple on it, so I know for sure there's grease in it. And there you have it. There's the old cap back in, and there's the one I made for this side. Just have to get a grease nipple for it. Can't find one here. So that's the job now, and it all moves freely now, as it's meant. That'll make a big difference. Now actually I'm not going to say that there was never a grease nipple on this side because there was no cap, so I don't know. But there could have been a grease nipple on this original cap, but I doubt. I'd say it was like that one now, because there is a little grease gallery going along the shaft in there to let grease up in here, but